Welcome to the future of flow measurement. SVIZONA Industrial Solutions presents the eChart product line, your definitive technical guide to custody transfer and flow computing excellence. Navigate a comprehensive ecosystem designed for every scale. From single-run workhorses to complex multi-well allocation, we provide the foundation for reliable data. The Foundation series delivers robust, straightforward solutions for standard single-run custody transfer. Engineered for reliability, it is the industry standard for gas and liquid measurement. The eChart 100 is our core single-meter computer, featuring a high-speed 32-bit microprocessor and versatile I/O for precise liquid or gas applications. For specialized gas applications, the FloPro offers high-speed calculations, ensuring precision where it matters most. When your operations demand more, the Plus series answers with enhanced I/O and multi-run capabilities for the most challenging environments. Scalability redefined, the E+100 expands from 1 to 3 meter runs without requiring a full hardware replacement, protecting your investment as you grow. The eChart GL offers dual-meter run custody transfer, providing ultra-low power processing for simultaneous measurement of independent products. Step up to the E+ GL for advanced dual-stream flexibility, featuring integrated tank gauging software as a standard feature for total site management. Maximum performance meets a minimum footprint. The Lite series brings core eChart functionality to ultra-low power applications like well testing and injection. The E-Lite 100 is your modular foundation. With optional expansion modules, you can add analog and digital I/O precisely when your application needs it. Enhance your connectivity with the E-Lite Express, featuring integral mounting for the 205 multivariable sensor for accurate differential pressure and temperature determination. For specialized testing, the E-Lite Express L1 supports stacked DPs and densitometer signals to push the boundaries of performance in well injection. For the most complex challenges, the E+TS is purpose-built for multi-well allocation metering, bringing clarity to your most intricate flow networks. This eChart product line is summarized in this table will help you to choose the right product. Our flow computers and meters are simple to use and able to perform the most complicated jobs. To discuss your specific application requirements or for technical assistance, please don't hesitate to contact us.